Morning. It is June 3rd, and we got three episodes lined up here, starting with let's see, trait number 28, 29, and 30. Where's this shit?
Great salespeople don't stay busy. They're not interested in busy. They're interested in productivity. They're interested in results. Look, there's a big difference between the productive and the busy. I've done them both. I've been highly productive and I've been very busy before. What you want to do is be very, very busy, but be extremely productive. This is what the greats do. They don't measure activities and efforts. They measure productivity. They don't task. They don't do task lists that results in paperwork and organizing and preparing and filing. Look, they're like, hey, somebody else take care of that. I need to go out into the marketplace, make and build relationships, increase my visibility in the marketplace, get people to know me and get them to talk about me, do business with me, call me, and send me business. You see, that's a completely different level than, I got to do some filing. We got to go to Office Depot and Staples and buy some goodies. I got to go get another computer. Look, that's busy. You need to be busy? You go home at night, your kids ask you, did you sell something today, Papa? No, but I bought a computer and I got my desk all pretty. Look, don't be busy, be productive. Okay, be productive and quit lying to yourself when you're just busy, because that's what average normal people do. The greats are productive and they never let themselves off the hook. The great salespeople stretch way beyond their own comfort zones. Don't think that these people are courageous. They're not. They're scared to death all the time. They're doing things that make them uncomfortable. They don't tell you they're uncomfortable. They don't tell you they're scared to death, but this is what they do all the time. Why? Because they're driven by this purpose and desire to create an economy for themselves, their businessmen, and their families that they can depend on. So they're willing to get uncomfortable to have some sense of luxury. They don't seek comfort. See, average people seek comfort. I want to be comfortable. I want to be happy. I want to spend time at home. Dude, you can't even take a good luxury vacation. See, the greats want luxury. They seek exceptional lives. Doesn't mean they're going to go spend the money or buy big watches or yachts. Doesn't mean that. It might mean they do that. It might mean they take a big, incredible vacation, but they're seeking a different lifestyle than average. They're not seeking comfortable, and they're willing to make that uncomfortable call and willing to be uncomfortable, willing to make the sales call where the guy rejects you, won't see you, hates your guts, told you not to call him. Look, they're not interested. The greats aren't interested in average or comfortable. They're interested in greatness and extraordinary. Okay? You up for that one? Great salespeople want to create clients not for today. They want to create clients for a lifetime. They don't look at a guy, I just sold John. They look at John, the family, the cousins, the uncles, the aunts, all the possibilities, all his friends, his relatives. They know every client is worth way more than just one deal or one paycheck. The greats have transitioned out of looking at what's in front of them, and they're into multipliers. The greats don't they want one customer at a time, treat them like one customer at a time, but they're not thinking about one customer. They're thinking about lots of opportunities. They see every client as a potential of multiple sales, multiple incomes, not just one deal. Quit thinking about one deal. Quit looking at what's right in front of you and start using the multiplier of greatness that will get you to greatness.
Nice. Get comfortable being uncomfortable, right, Sean?
Yeah, that made me uncomfortable.
Hey, when you go to these events, the networking events, are you comfortable out there talking with strangers, or you out of your zone?
Definitely out of my zone.
Yeah, but you look so natural out there, man. Like the last couple ones that, you've been out there meeting people, getting to know people, inviting people into your circle. That's what you got to do. You're a,
Commit first, figure it out,
yeah.
right?
You look good, man. You got a new haircut?
I did. My stylist got to me over the weekend.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. So, here at SBG, we're always promoting our events, getting people into the circle with us, inviting them to network, get out of their comfort zone. We got to get out of our comfort zone constantly, making friends for lifetime. Look at, we got Oakmount in the house. Victor, like since we started this, he's been around the circle like, and hanging out, hanging around the root with the hoop, see what comes up. That's what it's all about, making relationships, growing those relationships, becoming pretty much family. So get out there, market yourselves. Let's go.
Do it.
Yeah. What do you got, Jared, Aaron? You guys want to share what projects are coming up?
On the bid list, the projects coming up is Butano Canyon for RCD. We've got a trail, like just a relatively large paving job, asphalt paving job. And then we've got another project in Davis coming up with potentially IPS again.
Damn, nice, nice. That's cool, man. How about where's Aaron at? Did he leave? Oh man, I wanted to see where he was at. We got Masood in the house. What's up, Masood?
Hey, how's it going? Yeah, we got a growing bid list, so a lot of great projects coming up. Market seems to be warming up, so that's a really good sign.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Shoot. Yeah, good. It's good to have you on the team, man. We're looking forward to all the big things you're gonna be doing with us. So
Happy to
welcome.
be, yeah, happy to be a part of the team. Looking forward to getting to know everybody a little better.
Awesome. Awesome. How's it going, Victor? Any wins? Anything you like to share?
Just staying consistent right now. Met up with the South Bay grading team yesterday, and then got another follow-up meeting with Aaron on Friday for some other projects. So just trying to stay above water right now and trying to bid on some new projects and see if we can land something big for the end of the year as well. So
Nice.
just out there bidding right now.
Awesome, brother. It's a marathon, not a sprint, right?
Hey, Victor, I think we have to reschedule that meeting on Friday, by the way. I'm gonna be
Oh, okay.
I have to go meet with Shames at 10 a.m. I don't know when we scheduled it for, but
10
I'll
a.m.
hit you up. We'll figure it out.
All right, sounds good.
Okay.
Nice.
All right.
Yeah. Anything else you guys want to talk about?
How's the look up there in Union City?
Oh, we're moving, man. Bollard holes are drilled, rebars laid. They got flooring guys inside. Same thing as the last time. So we're looking good, and then I'm gonna head up to Arroyo I'm gonna call Alonzo after I walk with Frank and see if we can go check out what's happening at Arroyo so we can really pin that one down and nail all the variables. I told Antonio yesterday I'll be up there too, so I get to meet him. Um, but we're cruising along,
Yeah, the pressure's mounting.
Oh yeah, it's all good though. I just like all this other stuff. It's just gonna happen, and we just kind of flow through it. Sometimes it's like you got to think of yourself. I'm sure you guys have been to the boardwalk. I know, but if I mention any other beach, people are like, "What?" But in Santa Cruz, the boardwalk beach, you're standing there, you're facing the ocean, and a big wave's coming. Do you like, and you're too close to it? Do you run away? No, because you're gonna get clobbered. You just gotta duck dive through that thing. That's a lesson you learn at a young age after you get smacked into the sand. So sometimes you just gotta duck dive that thing and go head on at it.
Shit.
Love it.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, guys. I got to take a little detour here in a minute. I'll see you all later today.
All right.
See ya. Drive safe.
See you guys.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.